Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of Science. I hope you all are doing great. So without making any delay, let's start the science quiz session 5. Today I am going to share with you the most important multiple choice question and answer for CET and NEET exams. If you are new to my channel, click the bell icon and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. So question number 1, if a sample of pure plasma membrane is burned in air, what will be left out? And your options are A. Iron oxide, B. Nitrates, C. Phosphorus oxide, or D. Nothing. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is C. Phosphorus oxide. Question number 2, what are liposomes? And your options are A. Lipid-filled vesicles, B. Special kind of organelles found in prokaryotic cells concerned with lipid metabolism, C. Special kind of organelle that develop in germinating oil seed for the digestion of stored lipid, or D. Vesicles developing as a result of interaction between polar lipids and water. And your time starts now. Well, the correct answer is D. Vesicles developing as a result of interaction between polar lipids and water. Liposomes are small artificial vesicles of spherical shape that are created from cholesterol and natural non-toxic phospholipids. They are used as vehicle for administration of nutrients and pharmaceutical drugs. Question number 3. A eukaryotic ribosome dissociates into which of the following subunits? And your options are A. 35 and 45 subunit, B. 30 and 50 subunit, C. 40 and 50 subunit, or D. 40 and 60 subunit. And your time starts now. Well, the correct answer is D. 40S and 60S. Eukaryotic ribosomes have two unequal subunits, small subunit 40S and large subunit 60S, which are according to their sedimentation coefficient. Both the subunits contain dozens of ribosomal proteins arranged on a scaffold composed of ribosomal RNA. Question number 4. The number of proteins involved in the assembly of prokaryotic ribosomes are, and your options are A 50, A 5, B 50, C 50 and more, or D 30. And your time starts now. So the correct answer is C, 50 and more. A ribosome consists of a large number of different components. Example, E. coli, 54R protein and 3R RNA. Therefore, they contain 54R protein which are involved in the assembly of prokaryotic ribosomes. Question number 5. Which of the following organisms do not have lysosomes in their cells? And the options are A. E. coli, B. Nostoc, C. Clostridium, or D. all the above. And your time starts now. So the correct answer is D, all the above. Lysosomes, they are found in animal-like eukaryotic cells, and they are rarely found in plant cells, where they are completely absent in prokaryotic cells, which are E. coli, Nostoc and Clostridium. They all are prokaryotes. Question number 6. The oxidation of glycolate to glyoxylate and in turn the amination of the latter to form glycine occurs in dash. And your options are A. Peroxisomes, B. Glyoxysomes, C. Cytoplasm, or D. Chloroplast. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is A. Peroxisomes. Here, if you see the flow chart here, it clearly tells you the conversion of how glycolate was converted into glyoxylate in the presence of an enzyme called as glycolate oxidase, where oxygen uptake takes place, and in turn glyoxylate was converted into glycine in the presence of enzyme glutamate glyoxylate aminotransferase. All these things process takes place in peroxisomes, and further glycine metabolism takes place in mitochondria. Question number 7. Which of the following enzyme is found only in glyoxysomes? And your options are A. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, B. Citrate synthase, C. Malate synthase, or D. Phosphatase. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is C, malate synthesis. In plants and bacteria, the glyoxylate cycle takes place in glyoxysomes, here which are found in fat storage tissues of germinating seeds and filamentous fungi. Malate synthesis works to bypass oxidative steps of Krebs cycle, where fatty acid are being converted to sugars during germination. Question number 8. Which one of the following lichen is used in cosmetics? And your options are A. Chlorolichia, B. Rossella, C. Ramalina, or D. Familia. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is B. Rossella. They belong to the kingdom Plantae, order. They are also used in the manufacturing of various perfumes and cosmetics. They grow on oak tree and tree moss. Which among the following is a tree fern? And your options are A. Maratia, B. Angiopteris, C. Cytia, or D. Theris. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is C. Cytia. Here you can see they belong to a kingdom Plantae, order Cytilis, which includes the tree fern, is a taxonomic division of the fern class. Question number 10. In which of the following fossil types are the tissues best preserved? And your options are A. Compression, B. Impression, C. Cast, or D. Petrification. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is D. Petrification. Petrified fossils form when minerals replace the structure of an organism. From all the organism to vertebrates, tissues preserve best in the process of petrification. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment your score in comment section. Keep watching and keep supporting.